This year the theme has been developing entrepreneurship and enhancing employability, and we in PPL really take care of these in our areas where we do a lot of CSR activities. Especially in Paradip, we have adopted about 11 villages in 2 Gram Panchayats in Bagadia and Mangrajpur, where we have been imparting a lot of training on skills development. For example, mushroom cultivation, goattery, poultry, then tailoring, mobile repair, beautician course. So in this process we have been educating people, developing their skill and enabling them to start their own entrepreneurship so that they can be self-sufficient, self-employed, and they need not depend on others. And in the process, many boys and girls in that area, they have started earning at least about 2,500 to 3,000 rupees a month. Apart from that, we have been having supportive coaching for the class 10 students who are going to appear the matriculation exams. Many boys with this computer education of Microsoft Unlimited, after that they have got jobs in different companies also. So this also we are trying to collaborate with the Navratna Krishi Vikas project of ours in our other areas, where we do a lot of work in terms of giving kits for cycle repair, for mushroom cultivation, vermicompost and many other activities. We also have a soil testing lab static in Bhubaneswar, and about 11 mobile soil testing vans which has been given by the government of Odisha through PPP mode. We are operating those vans and testing the soil, analyzing the soil health and accordingly prescribing the right dose of fertilizers that needs to be used. One of the major things which government of India under the Prime Minister, the Swachh Bharat, the slogan and the effort which has come now, we have done that since 2009-10. We have constructed more than 800 individual household latrines in these 2 Gram Panchayats, about 24 toilets in different schools, especially for the girl children, and also a lot of public platform for taking bath, drainage, water pipelines, because merely constructing toilet will not help you unless there is a water supply. We have been sensitizing the girl children through the child-centric panchayat initiatives about the health, hygiene, cleanliness. So a lot of things we have already done which government is thinking now.